Hampi is a magnificent UNESCO World Heritage Site. If one could hear, each stone has a story to tell of the grandeur, of abundant wealth, and of pain. Situated on the banks of river Tungabhadra, Hampi was the capital of ancient kingdom of Vijayanagara, founded in the year 1335. Abdul Razak, the Persian traveller, has written, "Roses are sold everywhere. These people could not live without roses, as they look upon them as quite as necessary as food." The jewelers sell publicly in the bazaars pearls, rubies, emeralds and diamonds. The people of Vijayanagar were blessed by nature with mines which had abundant gold and big-sized diamonds and rubies. The diaries of various foreign travelers speak of diamonds of the size of hen's egg. The stone chariot stands regally in the courtyard of the impressive Vijaya Vithala temple. The grand temple and the chariot are a testimony of the creative indulgence of the master builders of Hampi. The wheels are perfectly round with a lathe finish and were carved as a blossoming lotus. The temple stands on the banks of Tungabhadra on an ornately carved plinth from which rise 56 tall pillars. Stupefying awe and wonder are the only expressions that emerge. The pillars sing a musical ode to the craftsmanship of the master builders. When one taps on them, 7 notes of music resonate from them. The underground Shiva temple. Shiva temple was the second structure that the archaeologist had discovered in the late 1980s. The temple stands several feet below the ground level and is surrounded by fields which were irrigated by rock-cut channels that brought water from Tungabhadra. The temple till this day remains flooded in knee-deep water. Among the must-see structures at Hampi is the Mahanavami Dibba. Navami means 9 and Maha means grand. The 9 days were the days of the grand celebration in honor of Mahalakshmi or goddess Durga. The platform was a multi-tiered structure made of granite, and all its sides were beautifully adorned with bas-reliefs depicting scenes of king's court, festivals, horses, and amorous couples. This was the world-renowned marketplace. In the heydays of Vijayanagara, this was the place where merchants from all over the world collected here to sell their wares, from gold and diamonds to horses and cows. The market boasted of a variety which impressed even the visitors from the foreign shores. The magnificence of the empire, both in terms of its enormous wealth and the rich cultural heritage, had spread far and wide. It not only attracted the traders, but also the attention of plunderers from the North India. A tragedy of enormous proportions fell upon the city in the year 1565, when, in the Battle of Talakota, the leader Ramaraya was defeated and the city plundered. Such was the abundance of wealth, the plunder continued for 6 months. On 26th January 1565 was slated to be the blackest day in the history of the centuries-old Vijayanagara Empire. The city was put to fire of such degree that it cracked many of its granite formations. The city of Hampi was destroyed forever, but its stones still speak about the golden times and the horror they have witnessed.